Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. I know exactly what you're thinking. Boy, I sure could eat some of that food right now. And you can. Yes, you can. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I am videoing from Georgia and I'm at an amazing Jamaican restaurant, as you can see, guys. And I am here talking with Pinky. Pinky, how are you today?
I'm doing great.
Good. Pinky, tell me about your business. How long you've been operating and who you cater to. Tell me everything about your business.
Well, actually, we've been in business for over 3 years. And we've been in business for over 3 years. And we pretty much cater to the small communities around here and also travelers like yourself, like the truck drivers.
Right.
This is like a little rest stop area for them
Right.
to detour and to come get some good Caribbean food.
Yes, yes. What's the name of this area, Pinky?
Perry, Georgia.
Perry. Okay. So guys, we're in Perry, Georgia, and it's Jamaica jerk. So, tell me, what do you normally serve?
Well,
Pinky.
we serve oxtails, curry chicken, jerk chicken, brown stew chicken, curry goat. We do snapper meals, brown stew, snapper, escovage, and we also do curry snapper.
Wow.
We do the pasta as what you members, and we also do a veggie platter for them as well.
Okay, I saw, like you had a heavy traffic earlier.
Yes.
People were coming in and going. Is that what it's normally like?
Yes, and this is like the lunchtime for them, pretty much in
Okay.
Perry.
Okay, you were also telling me that there's another store that you have.
We have a
Pinky.
second location in Cordele, Georgia.
Cordy.
Yes,
Okay.
which is like 40 minutes out from here.
Okay, all right. So, guys, we're gonna showcase that restaurant. But in the meantime, guys, just want you to take a look at what we have here. This food, it's amazing. We have the oxtail, we have the shrimp pasta, and they also have patties and assortment of drinks. So guys, if you are in or around the Perry area in Georgia, you have to check this out. As you can see, they have a wide variety of foods, and I promise you their prices are much more than reasonable. Guys, if you have any comments, you can leave them for us. If you have any questions, you can see the number is there for Jamaican jerk. And you can see also these comments that others have made on the restaurant. It's kind of fun the way they write their comments on the wall. But guys, please go on over and check out Jamaican jerk if you're in the area. Until next time, guys. Ciao. Guys, just check it out. All right, so Pinky, thank you for talking to me, and until next time, guys, ciao.